They got quite the thing going here. They got restaurants, and it's like a little mini Disneyland full of pineapples. Isn't that cool? They got they say the America's largest maze made out of something. We're gonna go through the train, and then we're gonna go through the tour. Of course, they just said they harvested most of the pineapples, so I'm not really sure. Oh, look, there's pineapples. Look, guys, there's pineapples right there. Well, there's bigger pineapples right there. There you go. Done and done. We can go home now. The dude is gonna love this. He'll love this trains, as you know. So we better hurry it up so we can catch the train. Let's go. Hurry up.
Choo-choo train.
Is this the choo-choo train?
Yeah.
Dude, you like the train?
Yeah.
He's a train kind of guy. What do you think of your train, dude?
Good.
Cupcake, what do you think of the train? I don't care, I want water. Okay. Look at that. That's out there. Oh, there's a guy picking pineapple. We're at Maximum Tourist right now. That's what we're at, right?
Yeah.
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 But they said, everyone who reviewed it said it would be great for the kids. So here we are.
Is this great for you?
In the bag.
Dude, is this great for you?
Good.
A bag.
Apparently they're right. Maximum tourist action. Can't go out this game. We can't go out like this, right?
Of course we can.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the
No, we can't because the train goes to move.
That's right. Your brother's right. You're a danger.
All right, you done?
She knows it too.
Yeah, because then it's not good to ride on the choo-choo train, right?
That's right, dude.
Well, I know that. I was just being funny.
She was being funny, dude. Was that funny?
banana and plantain.
Today, there are over 40 different crops grown commercially, compared to only 28 grown commercially in the 1950s. Hawaii's agricultural industry is now much more diversified, and although its role has
Is
diminished...
that fun? What?
Yeah!
What?
Yeah!
I can't hear you anymore. Deaf. Pineapples are
Hard on your ears to get out.
the loudest sound system in the world. Pineapple. What do you think of this pineapple?
I think that I can't wait to get my hands on some pineapple ice cream.
Ooh, ooh. We're on the walking tour and we're surrounded by bananas. Oh, sweet, sweet banana goodness. We're walking through the banana trees. We're sneaking off trail. Being sneaky. Let's go, guys. Look at the brown dirt. This tree is crazy looking. It's called a Mindano gum. I don't know if you can see that. Mindano gum. Looks like a painted tree. It's weird. That's a weird tree. That looks like it's been painted. I don't know if any of this is going to turn up. It looks totally like somebody came over with a paintbrush and made a tree. Painted it. It's weird. crazy. There's so many weird plants here. Like these fire plants. These look like flames. Flame-age flame. And they got baby pineapples waiting for my stomach.
Daddy.
We're shopping in the Dole store. It's insane. Look at this. Dole Hawaiian Pretz. By Glico. By Glico. I don't know. That's weird. I'm not sure. They make everything in this store is pineapple based. Look at all that. Everything pineapple. So we're heading home from the big plantation of goodness. We had too much fun here. It's actually cheaper than Pearl Harbor in a lot of ways, but it's a great place. Lots of pineapple. Do you like your pineapple, Mama?
I did. It was a yummy whip.
Yeah, we had whip. Whips. Whips. And I don't know. It's pretty good. There's the maze, though. See the maze over there? Kids aren't old enough for the maze yet, 'cause it's the biggest in the United States, supposedly. They've never been to a corn maze. I think those are probably a little bit bigger. Maybe it's the or America's largest permanent maze. That could be. Here we go. There's pineapple fields. Boogala. Let's see if I can do this. I'll get a good picture up here at the top. Okay, I'm gonna slow down and make all these people behind me very angry. Who am I doing this for? Not for me.
Here's your shot, lower stuff.
Pineapple. We call it pineapple. Anyway, that's your pineapple field. It's pretty awesome. Pineapples are awesome. Those are not pineapples. I don't know what those are. Those are pineapples? Those are more pineapples, apparently. They're darker pineapples. Those are the chocolate pineapples versus the pineapple. Those are the chocolate pineapples. So you can either get a chocolate pineapple or you can get a regular pineapple. It's just like ice cream. Check in where I'm going to get eaten by sharks later in a couple more days. This place is crazy. Surf everywhere, surfboards. This is where you go to learn to surf. There's surfing schools everywhere. An ancient bridge that the Japanese did not blow up. Oh, look at all those people learning to surf down there. Or paddle surf or whatever the hell. Look at this. This is a crazy little town. It's a little teeny town that looks like it's all based around surfing. So, one of those docks is where I'm gonna go on a shark hunt. It's actually right over there. A couple more days I'm gonna be back and going in a cage. So I was sent to go see these little shrimp shacks that are on the side of the road. I was sent to go see what kind of shrimp you get and what the prices are and all that. So I'm going to see all of this right now. I'm not very happy about it. This place is so crazy. This place is crazy. And there's like 50 of these all up and down the road. It's really kind of weird and uncomfortable for me. I don't like people, right? So I'm not very happy about this. And I don't really like shrimp. Man. So.
Can we buy some, Daddy?
No, you get nothing. Get nothing. Back there. You get nothing for dinner.